Hi class, I'm Kay Nell and I'll be your instructor this semester for U.S. History Part 1. And I want to take a few minutes of your time and give you some tips and suggestions on how to be a successful student in this class. When you log in, you'll come to this home page. Take a few minutes to look over the home page and read the details there. If you have any questions about that, you can let me know. The next place that I'd like you to go is going to be the syllabus. And if you'll notice, there are two columns of links to the far left of your homepage. The far left column are links that are static to all of your Bevill State Community College Canvas courses. The next column are links that are unique to my class. So after you've logged in, taken a look at the home page and listened to my video, the next place you need to go is going to be syllabus. When you go to syllabus, I'll have a video for you there going over the syllabus. The syllabus is going to be the most important document for you as a student in this class. And it also has a place where you can look at a glance of all the assignments that will be due this semester and their due dates. I'd like to go ahead and let you know that I do regularly make announcements in this class. Be sure to make sure that your account is set up correctly with Canvas and you have pulled in a picture and the right email address is located inside your account so that you can get my announcements. After you've gone through the syllabus, then we'll be going to modules. And class modules is where all of your assignments for this course is located. And when you get through with syllabus and then go to modules, I'll have a short video for you introducing you to modules and what you can expect there. Students want to know how to keep up with their grades, and we have a link for you here so that you can always keep up with the points that you're earning in the class. People is how you communicate with your classmates. Chat is a place that you and I can meet, or you can meet with another classmate if you'd like to talk about something. This course, the textbook we use is a McGraw-Hill textbook, and you will register once with McGraw-Hill to be able to access some of your weekly chapter assignments. Now, the great thing about McGraw-Hill is that they have a free trial to the SmartBook or the ebook for all students. So when you log into the class, you can go into McGraw-Hill Connect, you can register with them, and you can get a free trial for 2 weeks to the ebook and go ahead and get started. Some of you might be waiting on grant money or Pell Grant money or scholarship money. No reason for anyone to wait to get started. You can log in with McGraw-Hill and get registered. Let me say this, make sure that when you're completing assignments in my class that you go through modules and you select the links in the chapter modules that I have pulled in. Don't go direct to McGraw-Hill outside of Canvas. Canvas is the vehicle where you'll find all your assignments. This class is going to use a Lockdown Browser and webcam for your midterm and final exam. We'll go over more about that later. And at the end of the semester, you get to evaluate all of your courses at Bevill State Community College. So you'll be using this link later. If you need Microsoft Word, Office 365, Bevill provides a free copy for you to use that and download to your computer. You and I can schedule a conference, we can schedule a Zoom meeting, we can talk by phone. There's a lot of ways that you and I can communicate if you would like to do so. Now, I want you to take a minute and we'll go to the syllabus and we're going to take a look at this very important document. I hope this is a positive online learning experience for you this semester. Always keep in touch with me.